Hey guys, since I cut my hair last year during July, I've been getting a lot of requests to sell, donate, gift my locks on my socials, and I thought that this would be a great video to share. Yo, when I bought my locks, they were disgusting. um, Goodness, and take disgusting in all true sense of the word. They were all sort of meshed up in this huge plastic bag, and I don't think that the locks were washed or anything like that when they were cut from other people's heads. Like, it was just bad. And now that I'm getting rid of my locks, I felt that it was important to make sure that I wash my locks and give them a good cleanse. I think not only for the person who's going to be wearing them sake or the person who's going to find them, but also just to, like, for my own sake. Like, I don't want anybody to have to deal with my dirt. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, as you guys saw in my video where I cut my locks, I had this like white powdery substance, and it was on both ends, on the actual pieces of hair that I cut and also on my scalp. And again, part of the reasons why I dyed my hair was the white solidified buildup in the locks that just, it couldn't get out. And I mean, I tried tonics before, and I also resorted to dyeing my locks black, but it needed to become a consistent thing. So I figured if I went for a more like blonde type look, then the dirt would be camouflaged better. Okay, so first we are going to go in with just a regular shampoo to get out any like loose or surface dirt in the locks themselves. I'm not using any special shampoo. I mean, this shampoo has made a debut on my channel a couple of times, and as I've mentioned in all of those times, the only reason why I'm using this shampoo is because it's very affordable for the amount that you get. I mean, I think that's what, a 1 kilogram bottle, and it cost me probably like 20-30 rands, and it's a lot more affordable compared to what the so-called high quality big products shampoo cost in the market. The water is already changing color, so as you can imagine, the shampoo is delivering on its job. Now that we've thoroughly rinsed out the shampoo from the locks, we're gonna go ahead with an ACV tonic. Yeah, we're gonna go in with some apple cider vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, aka baking soda. There's a lot of information on the benefits and the merits of this little tonic. I'm not gonna really touch on them in this video, but yeah, that was just to get whatever gunk, dirt out of the locks and to make sure that the hair is well cleansed and whatever dirt that the shampoo didn't get out comes out with the second round of washes. So the general rule is 1 part ACV and 2 to 3 parts bicarbonate of soda. The cup that I'm using is a 50 millimeter cup, but it all it all depends on how much water you're using, how long locks you have, and how big the container you are using is. After measuring out the second part of baking soda, I just realized that there was literally nothing left in the packet, so I just decided to dump all of it into the basin. Once your products are mixed in as much as they can, just go ahead, throw in your hair in there and soak for 30 minutes. I must say, like, doing it this way is a lot easier than trying to do an ACV soak with the locks attached to your head. I mean, it's a given, but yeah. I've gotten a lot of requests to sell, gift, donate my hair from a lot of people on my socials. And sure, I don't know, maybe it's a bit sensationalist on my side, but when I bought my locks, I was very deliberate about going to a salon because I didn't want to know whose locks I'm going to be wearing, you know. I didn't want my locks to have a history or perception of a history attached to them. And when I went to the salon, it was weird because I didn't get hair from a specific head. It was just all hair in a huge bag, and they were pulling it out based on the part size, based on the length, etc. So yeah, in the same sense, I'm a bit nervous with selling my hair or gifting it or donating it to a specific person. It feels, I mean, the whole concept itself, wearing somebody's hair, is kind of weird and scary. But now when you add, you know, the little technicalities that you know the individual and they know you, it just, I don't know. Like, what are your thoughts about that? Like, how would you go about something like that. And also, when I got my hair, it was slightly longer, but not in a great condition. That is why at some stages you guys have seen on my YouTube channel that I had to trim away the hair that just didn't look good. Also, there's been some coloring involved, and like just the whole maintenance that I've done, plus the added length from my hair growing into these extensions. Like, how much would you guys charge? How much would you charge based on what you have seen? Like, how would you price these locks if I were to sell them? Sure, can you see the apple cider vinegar and bicarbonate of soda work? Like, just look at the discoloration of the water in the tub, or in the sink rather. So after the wash, I went in and just inspected each lock. I didn't really expect to get all the yuckies out. I mean, I've been trying since I had my locks, and that's a period of 2 years. But yeah, the objective was to get them as clean as possible. And yeah, I think we achieved that despite a few white patches and build-up here and there, but we did good. We did good. So all that length that you are seeing is how much my hair had grown. And I'm able to identify this because when I first got my locks, I was investigating and experimenting on ways to do my hair. I experimented with interlocking, which obviously wasn't a good idea, but it also helped me keep track of how much my hair had grown. Yep, that's it. My hair had grown up to 14 centimeters. So had I not had lock extensions and including the growth that I have now, I would probably have maybe locks the length of maybe like 20 centimeters, I think, possibly. Or even longer. Yeah. Once I had inspected every lock and came to the decision that I'm happy with their cleanliness, I dried them on a drying horse inside my house. I could have left them outside, but it just, I don't know. I think it's such a weird sight to subject people to. But yeah, I just let them dry. Guys, please let me know what you think. Do you think I sold them, donated them, gifted them? And if you think I sold them, how much do you think I sold them for? Yes, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really, really appreciate the views. Until next time, love you loads. Bye.